Hey there! If you are looking for the perfect, easiest and fastest way of losing weight from the comfort of your home, then this video is made for you. You are going to learn how to easily cook delicious keto diet meals in a matter of minutes. Become healthier and slimmer with the most delicious and easy to prepare keto meals. Stop wasting your time trying to prepare difficult meals or stay on track with inefficient diets. The keto diet is one of the easiest ways to adapt your lifestyle, stay slim and healthy for life while eating delicious foods. Whether you want to lose weight or just feel and become healthier, the keto diet is perfect for you. A diet that has delicious meals that are easy to prepare is not a diet, it's a blessing, and that is what the keto diet is. But when you want to change your eating habits, it's not that easy. You need to learn how to cook your meals, adapt your eating hours, and many other small things that can be obstacles in your way. Most of the time, you have to struggle with finding the recipes for the meals that you can eat and really enjoy, and that means a lot of wasted time and energy. The truth is that you don't need to do this the hard way. The keto diet can be healthy while being easy and fun, and that it's what this is all about. Get the Keto Diet Cookbook today. The Keto Diet Cookbook is a collection of 60 plus delicious recipes that are easy and fun to make in the comfort of your own home. It gives you the exact recipes that you can use to prepare meals for any moment of the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. You don't need 5 different cookbooks with a ton of recipes to live a healthy and fun lifestyle. You just need a good and efficient one, and that is what the Keto Diet Cookbook is. Thousands of our clients from all around the world are enjoying our recipes while living a better and healthier life. This cookbook contains 60 quick and easy to prepare keto recipes. The exact amounts you need to use for the best results. Diversified recipes for each of the meals of the day. Great recipes for delicious and healthy desserts. Once you go through this cookbook, you will realize how easy and fun the keto diet really is. The keto diet is one of the most efficient ways to live healthier. This cookbook will be the perfect tool for you in implementing it in your life. This book is dedicated to people who already are on the keto diet and beginners alike. It's a collection of fun and easy to make recipes. Using other cookbooks can be time-consuming and hard because you need different books for each of the meals of the day, not to mention the fact that many recipes are very hard to prepare. Taking this cookbook will be one of the smartest investments you will make for your lifestyle and health. What are you waiting for? Don't let a low-quality book or hard-to-prepare recipes to get in your way to becoming healthier. Do this yourself. Get it done faster and make it fun. Grab this cookbook now, and you will be fascinated to learn how simple it is to prepare delicious keto meals. Click on the link in the description to grab a copy of this amazing cookbook, which has changed and transformed the lives of thousands of people around the world. If you are ready and willing to transform your own life by losing weight fast in a very easy and fun manner, all these from the comfort of your home, then this book is meant for you.